Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making a basic sleeve and we need a tape, a marker, a ruler and a brown paper. So I started by drawing a line at the middle of my brown paper. So I made a point right here, which is the top of the sleeve. Then I measured out the full length of my sleeve, which is 22 inches. So I'll be going down by 5 inches to mark the bicep line. This bicep line varies. You can go down by 7 inches if you want to make a jacket. But if it is a free gown, you can go by 4 or 5 inches, depending on how free you want it to be. Then take your upper arm measurement. I got 13 inches, so I divided 13 inches by 2, which is 6.5. Then I place it at the middle of the line. Then I use a ruler to connect the 2 points. After that, I went down by 13 inches, which is my elbow measurement. I measured round my elbow, just as the way I'm doing in the video. So I got 12 inches. I divided the 12 inches by 2, which gives me 6, and I place it at the middle of the line. When you are measuring your elbow, make sure you move your hands so that you can measure it accurately and not tight. So I connect the 2 points with my ruler. The next step is to take a measurement round your wrist, just as the way I'm doing in the video. Your hand should be moving freely to prevent tightening of the wrist. So I got 10 inches. I divided 10 inches by 2 and I place it at the middle of the line. Then I marked with my ruler. Now I made a triangle, joining the 3 points at the top. I took the measurement of one side of the triangle and divided it into 2 and marked the point. Then I divided the half into 2 again and marked, giving me 4 parts. I repeated this at the other side of the triangle, just as I'm doing in the video. So I marked one part of the triangle as front and the other side as back. These are the back and the front armhole. For the front armhole, the first point, I came out by 0.5 inches and gave it a mark with a line. Then the last point, I came down by 0.75 inches. For the back armhole, the first point, I came out by 0.75 inches. Then the last side of the back, I divided it into two and came down by 0.5 inch with a line. I join all the points together just as I'm doing in the video. You can notice from the video that the back and the front curve are totally different. I also use the ruler to join the remaining points. So I use my scissors to cut out the map outline. So when using this brown paper to cut on your fabric, make sure you put your seam allowance round. This is the result of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.